Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Repurpose.io to turn one video into 10 posts. So in this video, you are going to learn how to use Repurpose.io to automatically transform a single video into multiple posts across all major social media platforms. So let's start. First is you have to connect your content sources. So you have to sign up for Repurpose .io and connect your YouTube channel as your primary content source. So the dashboard shows your video library on the left and connected destination platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook on the right. Next is build your automated content pipeline. So create an automated workflow that routes your YouTube content to multiple destinations. So you can set up the pipelines, which is the source is YouTube, and then the destination would be Instagram Reels, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, and etc. So each destination can have custom settings. So just a pro tip, you can start with 3 to 4 platforms and expand as you learn which ones drive the most engagements. So next is edit and clip your video content. So you can use the built-in editor to select the best clips for your longer videos. So you can choose aspect ratios for each platform, which is the most common one is 9:16 for TikTok and Reels and 1:1 for Instagram feed, and then 16:9 for YouTube. So you can also add captions and overlay text for accessibility. Next is schedule posts across platforms. So you can use a content calendar to schedule your repurposed posts across all the connected platforms. So the scheduling dashboard shows posts organized by day with status indicators, which is scheduled, published, and draft. Lastly is you can track the performance analytics. So you can monitor your content performance across all the platforms from the analytics dashboard. So you can view the charts showing views, engagement, and reach for each platform. Now, the 10 posts created from one video summary card shows your content multiplication success. So just a pro tip, you can analyze which platforms and clip styles get most engagement, and then you can also double down on what works. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!